Hi, welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. This fresh tomato marinara sauce is a delicious homemade pasta sauce. It's bursting with ripe, juicy tomatoes, onions, and fresh herbs. But the best part is that it's ready in 30 minutes. During this tomato season, when our vines are dripping with tomatoes, it's fun to use them up in sauce. It's an amazing cycle to plant tiny tomato seeds and months later have a beautiful tomato sauce simmering on the stove. Let's begin. Place a pot of plain water on the stove and bring it to a boil. Just make an X on the bottom of your tomatoes and throw them into a pot of boiling water. Remove them after 30 seconds or when the skin begins to peel back and place them into the bowl. Boiling is the quickest and most convenient way to peel a tomato. The skin lifts easily. Coarsely chop the tomatoes. Then puree in the pot with an immersion blender or transfer to a blender or food processor, fitted with the blade attachment and process until smooth. Let's make the marinara sauce. On a medium-high heat temperature, let's add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then, add 1 whole chop of onions. Usually, we use yellow onions, but I don't have any right now. Let's use a bunch of fresh picked oregano. Smells so good. This oregano is amazing. Add 1 tablespoon of freshly ground black pepper. Also, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Moving on, let's add our puree tomato sauce. Increase heat to high and bring the liquid to a boil. Then reduce to medium-high and maintain a brisk simmer. Cook stirring frequently until the liquid evaporates. Maybe for about 20 minutes. Then the marinara will be very thick with the consistency of stew. Then add 1 tablespoon of paprika. Stirring frequently for about 5 more minutes. Remove from the heat and cool it down. This fresh tomato marinara is a whole food recipe that never goes out of style. Deeply flavorful, easy and incredibly versatile, it's a recipe that every real food chef or cooks should master. Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.